Forex trading. Have you always been interested or seen those Instagram massive gurus spending lots of cash from the Forex markets? Well, let me just explain what it is for you, okay? So Forex market stands for foreign exchange. Now, what the foreign exchange is basically like if you go on holiday, you will exchange currency for another currency. For example, I'm in the UK, so I'll be using the Great British Pound. And if I were to go to America, it would be to the US dollar. Now, that has an exchange rate. You see that all the time. What Forex trading is about is buying and selling those different currencies. So, for example, GBP and USD, the price will fluctuate. It will go up and it will go down. The idea is to buy it on its way up and sell on its way down. That's a simple format. Now, how do we get started? What I'm going to be showing you today is a broker that has everything for beginners, intermediate, and even advanced. That's right, you can get started today using those links down below with this broker. And not only do they give you education, but they give you a award-winning broker to be able to make that money that you see everywhere on social media. And I'm going to be going through that website right now. Before I do, please do remember I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, that broker is Vantage. And the first thing we see here is award-winning broker where you trade Forex with Vantage with 40 plus currency pairs. The award-winning broker, you can see all the awards here. They got winner in over 6 different ones, ranging from 2022 all the way up to 2024. Now, why should you trade Forex with Vantage? Like it said, they have over 40 currency pairs, tight spreads on raw ECN accounts. Now, what the spread is about is exactly where you enter in the market. So you will see the price, for example, at 1.44. With a low spread, you'll enter at 1.44 or 1.45. Whereas with a broker that has high spreads, you could be entering at 1.5. It doesn't sound a lot, but having 5 pips difference could be the difference between you winning a trade or losing a trade. You can trade on the go with its multiple different trading platforms available on the app on your iPhone or even your Android. And you can start trading with 0% deposit fees. No hidden fees either. Everything is explained. It has free educational material, which is why I said this is perfect for beginners. You can trade the bull and bear markets, risk management tools, and you can also link this with 2 of the biggest platforms to be able to trade. That's MetaTrader 4 and 5. And as we go down, it shows you the exact spreads that you will receive. So for example, like I said in the intro, GBP USD, you will be buying at 1.35595. And that is a percentage of 0.06. The trade pip pitch is 0.0009, which is honestly a ridiculous amount to be able to do it. You do have multiple different accounts. If you're a professional, you go for that pro. If we're a novice, you go for the standard. For beginner traders looking for direct market access with no commissions whatsoever. And then this raw ECN is when you know what you're doing and you can get those razor sharp spreads, as it said. So you have Forex trading platforms as well, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and you can also link this with TradingView as well. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below and let's jump back into the video. Now, as we go down, it's a simple Vantage account process. You register, you fund your account, and then you can simply trade it. General FAQs at the bottom. But what I'm going to be doing is logging into my personal account and showing you exactly what you can receive once you do that simple 3-step process. Right now, once you've done that easy 3-step process, you will receive this screen, okay? So you have access to everything now. You can see total asset estimates, trading account, MetaTrader 5. These are my 2 accounts I've got currently going on. And then you've got all of your different ones, the Forex markets here. And then as we go down, you can click on accounts, funds, webinars. So they do multiple different webinars for you to link in, get involved, and also they are doing a 150% deposit bonus. That's right, you'll get 150% plus 25% to be able to trade with, and let's be honest, having a higher balance to be able to trade is so much easier in the long run as well, because your profits match how much money you have going on, if that makes sense. Okay, so what I want to show you for the beginners as well is your tools. Okay, so pre-trader tools, you can see here we have the market buzz, which literally gives you an idea of exactly what we are looking about. If you're into cryptocurrency, you know what this means. So you can see that Euro USD has 1,400 mentions currently, and it's currently the biggest one, which is also factor into the Forex market because this is the most liquidity pair as well, which means it's the most traded. Now, as we go to tools as well, you get Trading Edge Plus. Now, what this is, it gives you a market report. Okay, so you've got your experts that tell you exactly where to look for, how to look for it, and then see the different patterns as well. So you've got USD JPY, which is your Forex pair. It's also got a lovely little image explaining it. But obviously, once you've gone through the educational process, you'll be able to unlock the knowledge to be able to read this. You also get technical analysis where people give you their personal opinion. Okay, so these are obviously for the stock. And then if we click on this tab at the top, it's Forex. Okay, so we can see that Euro CAD is a weak sell at the moment. However, NZD USD is a strong sell. They've got 16 sells, 10 neutrals, and 0 buys. If you click on more, you can go to a different time frames. So you can be either a day trader, a weekly trader, a scalper, which will be your 5-minute strong sell, and then as you can see, it goes through everything here for you. What I want to show you last is the Pro Trader platform. Okay, this is exactly where you will be doing, and powered by TradingView. This is where you can do your charts, multiple time frames, built-in market news coverage, and multiple different chart layouts. Now, last but not least is their support. Okay, so their support, they have a live chat. They also have help and support forums, and you can create a ticket. And as you can see, I have 0 tickets because honestly, I've never had any fault with Vantage whatsoever. Now, if you are looking to deposit, you just simply click on the deposit button, select your account that you want to deposit into, and then how much, and then the voucher if you have one. Click on continue and then select your deposit method. It is honestly the most easiest platform I've ever had to use in my Forex trading career. But there we have it, guys. That is a breakdown of Vantage markets and why it's important as a trader to have a broker like Vantage. Not only are they award winning, but they have those very tight spreads, meaning you're going to get in the market exactly where you see it on the trades. If not, you're going to be slightly below or slightly above, which is perfect because in trading, you need to be as tight to entry as possible. Now, if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I will do my best to answer as many as possible and even create videos along your questions as well. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.